How to verify your new rotor before installing them. Check the outer diameter, make sure it's the same size. Flip it over. Check lug nut pattern in the center hole, make sure they're all the same size. Next, you want to check the depth. Make sure both sides of the rotor are touching. Then the next thing you want to check is the thickness. It should be about the same unless your old rotor is very wore out. So check the outer diameter, the center hole, and the lug pattern. Check out my other videos for more tricks and tips. Subscribe! Tell your cousin!